Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove Twitch Prime from Amazon. This is useful if you want to unlink your accounts or if you're managing multiple Amazon or Twitch accounts separately. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to twitch.tv. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before proceeding with the next steps. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Twitch account. Once you're on the settings page, look at the top menu bar. You'll notice several tabs available for different configuration options. Click on Connections. This tab is specifically designed to manage all the external accounts and services linked to your Twitch account, including Amazon. In the Connections section, you'll see a list of all the accounts currently linked to your Twitch profile. Scan through this list and look for Amazon. Once you've located it, you'll notice a button right beside it that says Disconnect. Click on this button to begin the unlinking process. After clicking Disconnect, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally unlink your accounts. The pop-up will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply click Yes, Disconnect to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully removed Twitch Prime from your Amazon account. The two accounts are now unlinked and will operate independently of each other. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.